you know, cleaning my Fidget spooner with some alcohol and cotton buds. Going to clean this and then this. As you can see, it has no bearings. Wait, yeah, there it is. It has no bearings, and it's been a lot longer. So what we're going to do is wait. Going to no. Now I'm going to clean it with diba? Sour food teeth. Going to clean this. I'm going to push it for a while. Okay guys, so I've not cleaned it yet because it's so hard to remove the paint, and I've cleaned the steel, and I'm really telling you guys that it has no bearings. Yeah, there it looks. Yeah, there it looks at. Look at it. It has no bearings. Do you see it? It has no bearings. So guys, that's for my vlog right now. And good boy. With a Fidget spooner. And this is how you clean it. Yeah, just like that, and then just like that, and then just like that. So guys, as you can see, it's so brand new. And then yo, bye bye.